How to fix Rockstar game launcher failed to initialize. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you on how you can go ahead and fix this problem easily and quickly. Now, if you're experiencing this problem, it's due to outdated files from the game launcher itself. And so to fix this, it is extremely simple. You want to navigate through your Windows logo, and from here, you want to go ahead and search for Add or Remove Program. Inside, you want to go ahead and find the Rockstar launcher. From here, you can just go ahead and right click on the Rockstar launcher, and from there, you can then go ahead and click on uninstall. After successfully removing the application, you want to head back to the browser right here, search for Rockstar launcher, and you want to navigate through the official website. From here, go ahead and click on download for Windows, and it will take you to the official download link right here. Right after downloading, just go ahead and install the file and the problem will be fixed because of you updating the Rockstar launcher. If this video has been helpful, leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.